Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate the process of exporting a Google Sheets document into an XML format. To begin, navigate to the File menu and choose the Download option. From the list, pick the Microsoft Excel.xlsx format to save the spreadsheet to your computer. Name your document and click Save, replacing any existing files if necessary. Next, visit freeconvert.com and locate the XLSX to XML conversion tool. Open your local downloads folder, then simply drag your Excel file and drop it onto the website's upload area. Click the Convert button to start the automated transformation into an XML file. When the status shows as completed, hit the Download button to save the new file back to your computer. You can now find your XML document ready for use in your Downloads folder. It really is that straightforward. Thanks for following along. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.